win.
Be taking part in the Mars Balloon Project, which is run by STEM ambassadors of Thales Alenia Space UK. The aim is to test anything that humans or robots will be doing on Mars in the future. 100 experiment capsules from schools across the UK will be launched on high-altitude balloons 30 kilometres up into Earth's atmosphere. This is a place where conditions of air pressure, temperature, radiation are very similar to the surface of Mars.
The project allows students to test how various items would respond to the Martian environment to potentially make new scientific and engineering discoveries. Science Club have decided to investigate whether the calorific value of oil-based foods changes in conditions like those on Mars. This will involve comparing the energy value of peanuts that are being sent on the balloon with controls in the classroom. After the flight, all participating schools will receive their capsule to share with Aliena Space UK.
Congratulations again this year to Isabel Hine, Year 9, who won the 800-metre individual rowing race at the Lancaster Regatta last weekend.
On Tuesday, 19th of June, the Science Club will be participating in the Greatest Science Share. This is a national campaign that engages young people with science and engineering. As part of this, students will demonstrate flame tests, making slime, and King Kong's hand in front of a small audience made up of mainly relatives. Students will then showcase various pieces of apparatus they have used in lessons, including microscopes. Well done to all students who have regularly attended Science Club this year.
The sun was shining on yet another Sale High victory yesterday evening, but this time in their biggest game of their season, the League Cup final. To say I'm proud of this team would be an understatement. However, when our players asked the referee if they could observe a minute's silence to honour the anniversary of the Manchester terror attack last year, that pride doubled.
To the game itself, it was a very tight affair, with two extremely good teams going toe-to-toe in an energy-snapping heat. The two teams had met before in a league game, which ended a 3-3 draw, the only points we had dropped this season, so a tight game was to be expected. Both teams defended well, and chances were few and fair between, so at the half-time break it was quite square at 0-0.
With 7 minutes remaining, Mateus, who had been excellent all season, jinked his way into the box past a number of Wellington players. Setting himself to shoot, he was bundled over from behind, and the referee rightly awarded the penalty. After picking himself up and brushing himself down, he calmly slotted the penalty to the goalkeeper's right, 1-0.
I'd like to thank all the players that have been involved this year. Their dedication and commitment has been magnificent this season, and to complete their first season unbeaten with a trophy at the end of it is a remarkable achievement. Well done. They have set the standards now, and I'm looking forward to next year, where they will need to replicate these high standards if they want to repeat the success they have experienced. Well done, boys.
Huge well done to these people who took part in filming for Lidl. You were fantastic on camera and off. We will look forward to seeing you at the official film next term.
Congratulations to our Year 7 Rounders team who won their match versus ACA 7.5 to 4.5 but narrowly lost against Sale Grammar 9.5 to 8. So it's a final